Welcome to Ciganka Beach in Lopar, one of the most unique FKK beaches on the island of Rab. Known for its golden sand, unusual natural formations, and peaceful atmosphere, this spot is perfect for anyone seeking freedom, relaxation, and untouched nature. Whether you enjoy naturism or prefer to stay in swimwear, Ciganka offers a quiet escape far from the crowded tourist beaches. FKK Ciganka is one of just 3 nudist FKK beaches on the Lopar peninsula of Rab Island. Facing north toward the islands of Croatia and Gurgur, the beach offers a quiet, natural getaway where nudism is allowed but never required. You're free to relax in swimwear if preferred. The beach is sandy, bordered by curious sand pyramids and naturally sculpted landforms formed over time. Nature remains largely untouched, with only gentle shrubs and pine forests surrounding, perfect for seeking privacy and solitude. You can reach the beach on foot, or drive to a shaded parking area in the nearby pine forest and walk the final approximately 100 meters to the shore. Facilities are non-existent. No restrooms, cafes, or lifeguards. Bring everything you need: water, snacks, shade, and sunscreen, especially since wind exposure, ura, is common here. Favored by naturists and textile bathers alike, this beach draws a small, relaxed crowd and is especially popular with windsurfers due to its orientation toward the bura wind. Ideal for families and individuals who value peace, open-mindedness, and a strong connection to nature. No kids, no loud noises, no bars, restaurants, nothing. Just rest and enjoy. This beach is a naturist FKK beach. It's mixed, people with and without clothes. Up to you to decide. No facilities. The area, including Ciganka and neighboring coves like Sturich and Dubak, is protected for its geological and botanical diversity. It remains relatively secluded and tranquil, a true gem for anyone seeking a less trodden, naturally rich coastal escape. If you're looking for a beach that combines natural beauty, privacy, and a sense of freedom, Ciganka is a place worth visiting. Just remember, there are no facilities here, so bring everything you need and enjoy the simplicity of this hidden gem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights and hidden spots across Croatia.